pray for you. Are you smart? You go somewhere. So you are common child. Because I feel like I walk in the church. Which church?
Divine Shabbat.
Don't you know? You are let us stay away from this. But you walk in the church. They told you you're supposed to be a woman of God. Child, don't do anything. See, you have a divine call from God. You have a divine call to walk, to serve God, or not to live. Not there's a wife. So the moment somebody say, come and worship I do my father's house, don't listen. I told them before them. They told you they want to carry you to kingdom of darkness. If I don't prophesy to you, you say, this is not the prophet. Why? I just want to tell you. And you're confused. Why are you confused? You do something, the guy is supposed to, someone is supposed to help you. You will not say them again. They promise you, I want to help you, I want to help you. If you need the guy is supposed to help you, the person will disappoint you. Today, I call Dr. Chukwu Arabia. You will come back next month on the 3rd of this 2025. If you speak and see the demons going, this is a covenant for your father's house. This is what they said before. But today, I command the angels of war to destroy that power. You used to eat in the dream. In the dream, you eat. Sometimes. Open your mouth. Father, anything they give me in the dream, I'll remove it.
Amen.
I'll remove it.
Amen.
Today, let them be covenant of God. Let them be power of God. Let them be your calling. Let them be manifestation of God. Any power that been fighting you, any demon that been fighting you, that water, that serpent that feels like a snake, you used to see snake in your brain. You used to see snake. I see the snake living in your life. That snake that been killing you, that snake is not ordinary snake. It's a woman snake. And they say it should serve her. They are telling you, if you want to make it, you gotta serve her. But today, because I'm here, I lift my soul in the spirit. I caught that snake.
Amen.
That snake is going out. That snake is going out. That snake is going out. I see a snake tie your leg. Come out! Beautiful snake. Come out! Come on. Come out! That snake is a woman snake. It's a woman snake. That woman, he said it was somehow. He said it was watching her. Father, break it down your way. Out! Fire! 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 Destroy that covenant for your father's house. Kill you with Jesus. I will move those snake now, and my first snake. One is in your leg, one is in your leg, one is in your leg. All the snake, I am come out. This snake, out. It's the one of God. It's the one of God. Let it be fire. Let it be fire. Stop for today. That's snake. That's snake. That's snake. I'm going to go. Snakes for snake. From your father's house. Come on. Your faith, my foundation, was assistant with that. See, your God calling you to walk. Don't be because if you start making up the reason, that's when you start falling as you desperate in my body. You see that you see it must run away. You are free, what for yourself?